What is up, everybody? Carl from Techful Goodies here, and today we are looking at this, the SOAYAN Ultra Mini PC. So this is a mini PC with a 13th gen Twin Lake N150 processor, has a lot of cool features, so let's just dig into it. So looking at kind of the ports and the functionality of this machine, on the side here you do have USB 3s, and you also have two USB-Cs here on the side for high-speed data transfer, power button, indicator light, and triple display output. You have two HDMIs and one DP, which is DisplayPort. So you're able to run triple displays on this. Both of the HDMIs can do 4K and the DisplayPort also can do 4K, all three at 60 Hertz. On the back is where it gets a little bit interesting, right? They have their sort of typical fan system here, and on the bottom, they kind of dissipate the heat from this small little device, but they also have two LAN ports, which I think is super cool. And these are dual 1 gigabit LANs, so you can use something like this if you wanted to take this small little machine here, maybe turn it into a router where you have sort of your inbound traffic and your outbound traffic. There's all sorts of stuff you can do with the dual LAN port setup like this that I think makes this a viable product for people out there who are looking for something that A, they can do some DIY stuff on, or for business people who just want something that they can use and is small form factor on their desk. There also is an audio out jack, and this is your DC in. Speaking of DC in, you do get basically this plug right here. It's a 12 volt, 3 amp plug. And like I did say, it does have the N150 processor. And if you look at the N100, this is kind of a little bit of a next step up for processing power. And I think that's going to be very important when you're using this, depending on what you're using it for, spreadsheets, 4K video, especially the triple screen 4K video, and other things that just take a little bit extra power. Now, it does come with 12 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM built in, and it has 512 gigabytes of storage. Now, I'm a little concerned about the 12 gigabytes of RAM. That's right on the edge, but this isn't a computer you're picking up in order to go play games right away. This is something that you might be able to play casual games, solitaire, maybe some real light esports games, but you know, just something to kind of play on the side. In the box, you also get a full-size HDMI cable. If you want to do triple setup, you're gonna have to get your own. It also comes with a VESA mount here, and the idea behind the VESA mount is that you should be able to take this, pop it on the back here, put it on the back of a portable monitor, and then have kind of like a one-plug solution to be able to carry around or just use wherever you want. So let's go ahead and open this up, take a look on the inside. I'm just kind of curious how they fit everything into this little form factor. All right, just pulled the 4 screws out, pop this open, and we will slide the bottom piece out. Okay, so this is just a plastic bottom with some fan holes on it. And here is everything packed on the inside. That is very cool. I don't know if I want to go deeper. Looks like right here, oh, looks like mine is 256 gigabytes rather than the 512. I think you can choose either one if you want. Let me go ahead and take this out. All right, so that's our drive. Below that is another card here. That's for your Wi-Fi. And as far as memory, do I dare try to take this a little bit further apart? And be very, very careful when you do finally get this out, because it does not want to come out easy. But basically you have your cooler here, fan on the CPU. I don't see, you have your little CMOS battery here. I don't see any specific place for removable or upgradable RAM. So you're at that kind of 12 gig limit, which is fine for this kind of small PC here. Let's see if I can get it back in the case. Good thing I did that, because now you know there's nothing under there that you would really want to see, unless you're a super hack man and want to get in there and mess around. But while I'm putting this together, I will go ahead and put up a couple of the screenshots here from Device Manager, so you can kind of see all the stats, all the information about the mini PC, rather than booting it up here in real time. That way you'll be able to see what it has, and also be able to see some of the extra stats that I wasn't able to show here. I'm actually going to install something on here and use it as my home router with the dual NICs here, and then hook up all my gigabit devices directly to this router. And that's pretty much all of them. Anything else like my NAS or something can go on something else. But definitely cool, definitely tiny, and I'll leave the links down below. If this helped you out, give me a like, give me a subscribe. I'd love to see you back. We do stuff like this all the time. New Year's coming up. I'm excited about that. Got a lot of cool things to do. But until next time, this is Carl from Techful Goodies, and I'm out.